Children go off to school each day and learn many things from their teachers. As awesome as it is to have a teacher teach them every day, it is vital that parents take part in their children's learning as well. Learning doesn't have to stop once they get home from school. You will have heard this before, but it is so important. Reading to children is one of the best things you can do for your child in the learning to read process. It is great for so many reasons, as they get to hear the flow of reading, they get to watch you turn the pages, read from top to bottom, and learn how to hold a book. Even if they are not reading yet, they can look at the pictures and make up their own story. Or, if you've read the story several times, they will begin to tell the story back to you in the correct sequence. Try incorporating these flashcards in your learning to read process to help to improve your child's ability to read. Hi. Every. Near. Add. Food. Between. Own. Below. Country. Plant. Last. School. Father. Keep. Tree. Never. Start. City. Earth. Eyes. Light. High. Every. Near. Food. Between. Own. Below. Country. Plant. Last. School. Father. Keep. Tree. Never. Start. City. Earth. Eyes. Light. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit our website for more tips, advice and resources. Thank you for watching.